hold the lid down.
You taking a picture?
Don't drink it.
Don't drink it yet.
Ooh, sugar. I like sugar.
Hello, Jacob. Are you enjoying the tea party?
Yes.
Samuel, are you enjoying the tea party?
Very much so.
Zeke, are you enjoying the tea party?
Can I
All
put
right.
sugar in mine?
Just a minute. We're going to finish pouring. Okay.
Jake and Sam and Zeke rocking the stashes.
Just a minute. Okay, now this one's for you. You want to pour yours?
Oh, look at Sarah. First tea party.
Now, you guys can add a little bit of sugar. Go ahead. Just we'll take turns.
A little bit. Yeah, just a little bit, guys. You're supposed to have Sarah helping you do that.
Yeah. Okay.
Do it.
This tea party is tremendous. Party is the bird.
No, no. Now go. Now say it.
That tea is that for. I forgot to throw.
Would you like some milk in your tea?
Yes,
Okay,
please.
there you go.
Oh, look at that.
Would you like some milk in your tea?
Yes, please.
Okay.
That's not real.
Would you like
It's
some
a
milk
tea
in your
party,
tea?
Zeke.
Okay. Would you like some milk in your tea? Okay, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Drink it.
It's not real tea.
It's real tea.
It is real tea.
Yeah, it's chamomile tea. It's awesome.
Have a drink, Sam.
Good tea, huh? You like it?
Not that good.
Is your nose itchy? Shake like tears. Look at that.
Look at that.
All right. That's awesome.
Can I take my mustache
No,
off?
no, you have to wear them all night.
No.
You have to wait till your mom's.
Family's going.
Good and Sam.
Can I please have some more?
You bet. Let Sarah pour it for you. Would you pour it some more tea?
I can look for you.
Yes, more tea. Hold it there.
Low tea, so.
Okay. Have milk tea?
Zeke, say, jolly good.
Jolly good.
All right. You're awesome, man.
Jake, same thing.
I can do what?
Same thing. Say jolly good.
Jolly good.
Say jolly good.
Yeah, wait until
See?
Say jolly good.
Jolly good.
Sam, say excellent tea, Miss Sarah.
We might took off that tea down.
Hmm?
We might took off that tea down.
Very good.
Good, Zeke.
Drink that.
Say,
Drink what you got.
pardon me.
Oh, you want some more
Do
tea?
you have any Grey Poupon?
Say mo tea.
Oh, wait.
Tell him. All right, there you go. Tell Mr. Zeke, I'm sorry, we're out of Grey Poupon. Tell him.
Say we don't have
He
any.
asked for some Grey Poupon. Tell him we don't serve Grey Poupon in our tea parties. We should have some crumpets, though, huh? I don't know if we can find any crumpets or not. Sit down and drink your tea. Was Dana on her way home?
I think so. Tell him. You have to tell him.
Yeah, or they'll never come back.
You have to be a good host. Say thank you. Say it loud. Say thank you for coming to my tea party. You have to say it loud. Come on, you have to. Sarah, come on. You have to say it. Tell them thank you. Say thank you for coming.
Stir it easy.
Do you want more tea?
Jeff likes that chamomile tea.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
No.
Here, does Zeke want some more?
I'll fix it in a minute.
Give Zeke a little bit more. Zeke's had about 3 cups.
Freaking priceless, man. Great poop on.
Poop on.
Is it all gone now? Tip it wet. There we go. That's all. Okay, set it down.
A bit more sugar. Is that all of it?
That's all of it. That's all the tea we made for the tea party.
I need some more tea.
Oh, you try first.
I need to take this off.
No.
It says.
No. No.
I know what tea it.
All right. Are you? Yeah. Yeah, everything's fine. The boys and Sarah are having a tea party right now.
Samuel,
Yeah.
no.
There will probably
That's enough
be
of that.
pictures on Facebook here before too long. Zeke
Look at me.
and
Say excellent tea.
Excellent tea.
Say it. Say excellent tea.
Excellent tea. Excellent tea.
Say it again.
Right.
Excellent tea. Excellent tea.
Yeah.
That much. Dad, this is this is itchy.
I know, we
Oh.
I need it to
No. No. You have to leave it on.
Yeah.
Leave it on.